Hi guys, Jessica Kubasi here. In today's video, we're shooting artist versus pro photographer. We're in downtown Detroit today, and we're here with my friend Angelica, who actually is a model for me, and she's also an artist, so I thought it'd be really interesting to see how photos would come out through the perspective of a painter. So I asked her to be part of this. I thought she'd be perfect. And Angelica, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, for sure. I've been into art since I was little. I picked it back up again like a few years ago, and I started to oil paint last year. So I'm mainly an oil painter, mainly figures, people, and nature. So I'm a naturalist painter. But photography is a very different medium, so I'm excited to try it out.
So this is your first official photo shoot with a model?
Yeah, first time.
So we're gonna be using Angelica's setup first, and she's gonna be going first, and then we're gonna be using my camera afterwards. So are you ready? We have 2 rounds.
I am ready.
With that being said, let's get started. You ready?
Yeah, let's
go.
Hi, this is our beautiful model today, Anissa.
Hi everyone, my name is Anissa Dagger. I am a model from Detroit. I've been modeling for 5 years, and I'm really excited to get to work with Jessica and Angelica today.
Let's get started. I'm failing to start. Jess, help me. Everything's blurry. I thought it was autofocus.
Isn't it when you like push down a little, like when you go like this, sorry, when
Oh,
you like go
yeah.
like this, it focuses, yeah.
Ooh, you're
Yeah.
so smart.
Does my nose look bad?
I don't think
Oh,
so.
it started? You started it? He started your time already.
Oh, he did. He's against
Let's
me.
get started. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Where
guess
should
your
we
5
go?
minutes already started.
Yeah. Maybe just a couple with a jacket right here, leaning against here. Right here. Yeah. Whoa. Why'd this thing pop up? Weird.
So Angelica, I think, is one of the quietest photographers that I've worked with so far. I mean, she just started photography today, so can you blame her? I think as an artist, maybe they're so focused on like painting and working privately by themselves that they're maybe not as vocal, and I think that it's fine. Everybody has a different way of working.
I'm gonna do a couple, like, more headshots.
But now she's moved Anissa to another area, and she's really calm and relaxed, so that's a good sign. Good job, Angelica.
I'm taking photos over here in the sun. It's a lot warmer and the photos are turning out better than the shadow. Ooh, that one was really good.
Okay, Angelica, you have 2 seconds left.
Okay.
Stop it.
Time? Okay. I got it all.
We did it!
I feel like as an artist, you're a little bit more reserved and more focused on that one thing that you're working on.
Yeah, it's like meditation almost.
That's a very nice way of describing it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, mine's gonna be the exact opposite. I'm gonna be chaos, so it's my turn to shoot. Let's go.
Ready? Set. Go.
All right, so first things first, I'm switching this to manual. This is just how I have to have control. I guess I realized that about myself. I need to be able to control everything. Okay, so let's start maybe here. I gotta see what I'm working with right now. It says F25. We don't want that. That's, ooh, okay. Oh my God. I should have allocated some time to fix the f-stop because I don't know what. Oh my God, wait, this could be bad because I don't know how to change the f-stop on this camera. Oh my God, hold on. How do I change the f-stop? Okay, just give me a second. A little bit of suffering and you get it eventually. And the focus, oh my, I'm gonna spend a minute just trying to learn this camera. Okay. Okay, I got it. Nope, I didn't. Wait, nope. Okay, whatever. Oh my God, okay. Oh my, okay, finally, after like, how much time do I have? Like 1 minute left? Oh my God, I feel like a snail right now. Oh my God, I literally have like 2 pictures. Can't do that wide shot with this. Okay, this is fine. Oh, it zooms, I forgot that this zooms. Okay, who's the newbie here? I feel like it's me. Let's have you walking, yeah, those are great. And let's have you sitting, let's do some sitting. What? 10 seconds?
Go, go, go.
Oh my God, okay. Looking here. All right, guys, so we're on the second location. We found what looks to be the back of the Science Museum. I went here when I was younger. I learned a lot. Clearly not enough because I'm doing photography. Angelica, how do you feel about using my camera?
It looks pretty big. Is it heavy?
It's heavy.
It is heavy.
You're so light. I don't know how you're. It's actually the 5D Mark IV with the 24-70 lens. This is my go-to setup for all of my photo shoots. So if you need any help, I'm here. Okay. We're gonna try to put it on some good settings for you.
Nice.
So we got this. I'm gonna be going first, and then I'm handing it off to you.
Okay.
So let's get started, guys.
Go.
All right, 5 minutes on the clock. Wow, she doesn't mess around here. Okay, all right. I actually love this little cool notice sign.
Oh, you
That's really nice. So I'm having Anissa stand near this sign. I really like the color with this nice pale blue, teal-ish, turquoise. There's like 15 different colors that this could be. But I'm not an artist like Angelica, what color is this? Yeah. Okay, or it's just green. I guess I tried to be like sophisticated about it. And then walking towards me, let's do some walking. And let's do some, let's have you, actually sitting, let's have you sitting. Keep moving those legs. Yes, they're right there. Ow, my knees, oh my God, I feel like I'm 80 years old. Okay, let's do some shots over there. Ready?
Oh, you're strong. You're so strong.
Don't mess with me. I'm running out of ideas. Let's have maybe a hand, like, I don't know. Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah. Let's keep moving those arms. This location was really tough, I'm not gonna lie. Like I like just that little section, but the rest was a flop, you know? Rotten Tomatoes, 2%, probably.
Lisa, you ready? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and your time starts now. Okay, let's do the door.
I like the ones where you were reaching and leaning against like the edge of this. Could we do some sitting now? I mean, it's a lot heavier. I think it focuses way easier than the other one, and it's not lagging as much as the other one was. So I'm getting the shots I want to more than I was the other one. And if you could put your hands up, maybe like against, yeah. I don't know what other areas to do over here. Maybe maybe let's do one in between these two textures, like right in between.
So, wow, Angelica, she truly is an artist. She found spots that I didn't even think about. She put Anissa in between both like the square pattern and then the tiles going horizontally. I mean, she's just great. She sees things totally different than I do. She doesn't do photography, so I think it's so interesting to see how other people shoot that don't do this for a living.
Okay, let's try the stairs for a couple.
I think this round she was a little bit more vocal, so I think she saw me maybe, and I don't know, maybe I inspired her because I'm very loud and I talk a lot and I'm always yelling and my mom yells at me for yelling. 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. Let's do maybe, yeah, that's perfect.
15 seconds left. Time's up.
Okay. I didn't breathe like that whole 5 minutes. Thank you. You did a good job. I love this stair once.
Let's hear from the model. What was your experience like today?
I had an absolutely great time shooting with you guys, as always. I love the location. I love the DIA. Like Jessica said earlier, I used to come here all the time when I was a little kid, especially the Science Center. So, like, getting to come back and like do what I love in a place where I used to like have so much fun as a kid was really awesome. I loved the outfits. Everyone was super nice, and you guys just made it an absolute blast, so thank you.
Thank you. Wow, you really hyped this up right now. Wow, I thought I did a subpar. I was like, I did decent.
All facts.
I was like coming in here like a troll, like, I did okay. She's like, this was the best experience.
You're too hard on yourself.
Thank you. It's nice to come back, not do wedding photography, and actually do something fashion.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's so
Everybody
true.
does their wedding pictures at the DIA.
And their prom pictures,
And
and their
their-
senior pictures.
And their
of
family
everyone.
pictures, newborn pictures.
Babies.
Everybody has been on those stairs at the DIA.
Yeah.
So it's nice to do something a little bit different. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures between Angelica's perspective and my own. What do you guys think? And we would love to thank Anissa for modeling today. You did so well.
Thank you so much.
And we would love to thank Angelica for joining us today and taking pictures. I know she kept telling me she's nervous, but
Yeah, I was really nervous.
you did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Come on. And Jordan, behind the camera, videotaping, and he was blocking the wind for us. So that's the end of the video. We would love to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.